Right, so on this lesson, we're going to talk about buying and selling a market. This is the exciting bit. So let's go and find a market to trade. Let's go and find the euros. I'm actually in my demo account here. I've got 942,000 funds here, and it's not real money. I wish it was. And what I'm going to do is show you how to place a trade. Now we're going to look at the euro dollar, and you'll find the market on the left hand side, but then what I'm looking to do is find an area where it says trade. So I'm going to click on trade. All right, so I've just clicked it, and now this is what is called a ticket. A ticket is known as where you place your trade, and often you can, it's not letting me do it, but often you can drag these tickets around your screens and put them in an order depending on your broker. So we've got two areas here. We've got a buy and we've got a sell. Okay, so this buy area here is if we're looking to go long, and this sell area here if we're looking to open a new short trade. We're not going to talk about shorting just yet. In fact, let's do a little short trade in a minute. I'll show you exactly what I mean. But we're going to buy the market, and what we need to do is just click on it, okay, and it highlights this submit. And in this area here it says amount. And basically what that means is how much does my position size, how much do I want to place on this trade with the position size in this amount area here. And if you're doing a spread bet, it's always in pounds per point. So this would be £1 per point. So if I'm buying the euro dollar at 1.08867, then if it goes up 10 points and I can sell it 10 points more, that means I'll make £10 profit. All right. So let's go and click on the buy, and then I'm going to submit, because I'm going to buy the euro dollar here £1 a point at 108.87.2. That's done. I can print it off if I want to with this broker. You can see here I've got the euro dollar. This is where it says open trades down below, because I've just opened a trade. Okay, so I've opened a trade. It's now in the open P&L area. It's actually in dollars here. Don't worry about that because my demo account is in dollars here, which is pretend money. So yeah, okay, everything cool. And so now I'm going to close that down. So I want to sell. I want to get out of that position. Now this is the terms that you really need to sort of say when you're talking to other traders and asking them questions maybe, is that the euro dollar here is open. I've got an open trade. Now I want to close that open trade. I want to close that open trade. Different brokers will have different formats, but there's a little area here on the right that says close. I'm going to click it. Ticket's going to come up again. And now I'm going to sell it for this price on the left. It's 108.90. It's made $3. So I'm going to click it. And now that trade is closed. And I'm going to see that in this activity area right in. Here's my euro dollar right in there. That's the trade that I've just taken. The open positions, I've got no open positions whatsoever now. Let's go and do another trade. Let's go and pick the pound. We're going to do that on the pound US dollar. We're going to find the trade area here. We're going to actually do it with £2 a point. We're going to go buy, and we're going to then submit it. And there it is. There's the open trade. Okay. Then I'm going to close the trade. I'm going to click on close, and then I'm going to submit it here. Close trade will be in the activity area. All right, pretty simple. It gets a little bit more complicated if you want to place an order. So if you want to get a better price than where you're trading at the moment, just go to trade. And let's say I think the price is going to come down. All right, so and I want to buy when the price comes down. But unfortunately, I've got to go into London tonight because I'm going to a show or something, or picking the kids up from school, and I don't want to be at my screens. Well, I can tell my broker to put a trade on for me in this market at a certain price if it gets to that price on the chart. And this is here where it says order. Okay, so I can decide I want to buy this market, and I want to buy it much further down from where it's trading at the moment. So I want it, if it comes down to 108.68, so if this price drops down to this level here, I want you to buy it for me, Mr. Broker. So I just submit it, and then it's confirmed. Okay, but it's not in my open positions. Okay, that's fine because it's not open. It will come into your open positions when the price gets down there. But here's an open order. This is the order area here is where you'll see it. And this trade is not open. This trade is placed on an order. All right. And I can remove that like that. So you're using orders to get into trades when you don't really, and you can't really, when you're not around, or you want to get a better price. Okay, let's ramp it up just one more. What about if I want to short the market? Well, what's shorting? Shorting is all about if I want the price to go down in value. Let's say the price on the chart is here. Normally I'd buy it and I'd want the price to go up, but I can actually short it for the price to go down in value. If it's here at 108 and it drops down to 106, I've shorted it and I've made the difference between that and that. Okay, so let's do a short trade. Get the euro dollar up again. Now this time I'm going to go over to the sell place. Now normally I'd hit the sell button if I've got an open long order. But what I'm going to do here is come up to trade, sell, £1 a point, because I think the euro is going to go down. Click. And now I've got an open position that has a minus alongside, but also a sell name here. So it's a sell order. So I think the euro is going to go down. Now, when it starts going down, this P&L will continue to stay green. But if I want to close the sell, just go back to close. It's already highlighted for me, so I don't have to do anything at all. And then what I do is just then submit. So it's all done pretty much automatically. If I've already got an open position, and then I click on the open position, like this again, it's grayed out. So if I'm going long, I just go there. Okay, and then I go to close it out. It knows that I'm already long, and then I just click it there. And there you go. If I just go to this euro yen here, okay, I can put an order in. Tell me where that order is. Back in these levels here. If it wants me, there you go. It should start to go. There you go. So I want to buy the market at this area here. Click on it. Remember, it's going to be in the open orders area. I just want to remove it. If I did get filled in this trade, which means the price got down to that level, then I can just have an open trade and I can close it whenever I want to. All right, guys, hope it helps. That is buying and selling.